Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Savitya Yadav and I welcome you all to this video of adjectives. Today I will explain adjectives. So first of all, let us see the topic we will cover here, that are what is an adjective and types of adjectives. So let us start with our first topic, what is an adjective. And before starting the adjective, it is important to know that what is noun and pronoun. So nouns are the naming words and pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. Now, what about adjectives? So, the adjectives are the describing words which describes noun or pronoun. Basically, it is a naming words. Let us understand this through the examples. So, first example is I have blue pen. Here we can see that what is pen here? Well, pen is a name of a thing and we know that naming words are noun. And if I say or if I describe this pen, then you will say that it is a blue pen. So here we can see that blue is a describing word. It is describing the pen. Okay. Now second example is they have 4 apples. Again here we can see that apple is the name of a thing and it is a name of a fruit, and 4 word is describing the quantity or number of the apples. So 4 is adjective. Here 4 word is an adjective because it is describing the number or quantity of apples. Let us see some more examples. In these examples, first sentence is without adjective, and when we add adjective, then we find the difference, that how the adjectives are describing the noun. Let us see the placing or positioning of the adjective. Means an adjective can be placed before a noun or after the noun also. So the term is given here for that. That is, if most adjectives are used with a noun and usually come immediately before it is sentence, these are called attributive adjectives. For example, a red rose, a fast runner, a cold drink. Here we can see the red, fast and cold. These words are placed before the nouns rose, runner and drink. So these are known as the attributive adjectives. Second is, some adjectives are used after the verbs, verbs, and they are known as predicative adjectives. For example, the test was negative, she is lonely. Here negative word is placed before the verb was and lonely is placed before the verb is. So these are known as the predicative adjectives. Okay, I hope you must have understood about the adjectives. Let us discuss types of adjectives. So here are 7 types of adjectives. First is adjective of quality, second is possessive adjective, third is demonstrative adjectives, fourth is interrogative adjective, fifth is adjective of quality, and next is adjective of number. Okay, let us discuss first type of adjective, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the quality or qualities of a person, place or thing. They answer the question what kind of. Means, for example, Delhi is a large metropolitan city. Here Delhi is the name of a place and large word is describing the Delhi, that it is a large city. So this is telling the quality of the something, place or person. So it is adjective of quality. Next type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective point out one or more person, place or thing. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. For example, here one thing is important, that the most commonly used demonstratives are this, these, that, those, such and certain. For example, these dishes are tasty. Here the these is demonstrating the dishes. We point out, we indicate something and then we say that this is the thing, na? So these word is the adjective of demonstrative adjectives. Third is possessive adjectives. So the words my, your, his, her, its, are, here, there indicate the person to whom something belongs. The possessive adjective is used for animals and objects. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose. It tells us the possession, the belongingness of the thing, that this thing is belonging to me and that thing is belonging to, such kind of things are known by this possessive kind of adjectives. For example, I have to get my car serviced, means car is belonging to whom? me, that is my car. So the word my is telling it is the possessive adjective. Because why? Because it is telling the belongingness of car. Next is, okay, so fourth type of adjective is adjective of number. Adjectives of number are of three kinds. First is definite number, second is ordinal numbers, third is indefinite number. So first, definite number adjectives are those which consist of cardinal numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc. Then ordinal numbers, which denote the order of numbers in a series like first, second, third, etc. Then indefinite numbers such as many, some, any, etc., which do not express an exact number. Then distributive numbers, which are used as every, each, either, neither. Uh, for example, every child must be given to the polio drops. So there are three types of adjectives in the adjective of number, that are definite number, then indefinite number, and then distributive number. Okay, fifth type of adjective is adjective of quantity, which is used with uncountable nouns. For example, he ate some rice, you have no sense, we have enough milk. Here we can see that some is telling us the quantity, and no, it is also telling us the quantity, which such kind of uncountable nouns, no? We are using it here, we are using adjective of quantity with uncountable nouns. Now here are some exceptions also with few words. Why? Because some the same words are used as both adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity, and the words are some, no, like, some, no, enough. These words can be used to describe the quantity and numbers both, as you can see in the examples. Here one thing is also important to know about the adjectives, that adjective of number and adjective of quantity are also known as the determiners. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. God bless us all.